हाय एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अगेन। सो आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू मेक अ पोर्ट्रेट विद वेरी डिफरेंट टेक्निक बाय यूजिंग ग्रेफाइट पाउडर एंड चारकोल पाउडर. So stay tuned with till the end of the video with me, and please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and let's get started.
So यहाँ पर मैंने एक ग्रे पेपर लिया है. It's as normal as white paper and you can also use white paper, and graphite powder plus charcoal powder mixed है, stump and a clay razor. And now I am taking a few particles of pencil and charcoal powder, and after taking it on the paper I am now using stump, and you can also make it with the paper. If you want to know how to make a stump, you can also comment me in the description box below. I will show you how can you make a homemade stump, and trust me ये बाहर मार्केट से बहुत अच्छा बनेगा घर पर. So if you really wanted to know how to make it, you can just DM me on Instagram or comment me in the description box. And with the help of stump I am drawing a face of an old man. You can use an earbud or a cotton. And now with the help of thumb I am merging the graphite powder. As in the shading form, I am using narrow soft charcoal pencil, and I am drawing the eyes with the help of charcoal. And now the another company of charcoal, that is Conti et Paris. That is expensive, a little bit expensive charcoal, but you can surely afford it. And now you can see the one eye is completed, and now I am doing the second one. As I have said you in the earlier videos of mine, place a paper beneath of your hand so the painting does not spoil and fade away. So the second eye is completed, and for the highlights I am using a kneaded eraser. And now I am making the turban of the man and the ears. You can do the detailing with the pencil or charcoal on the above of graphite powder. This technique is very different and very easy to use, so you can use this technique and practice it. It's a very interesting technique. You should give it a try once in a while. And now the mustache I am covering with the charcoal pencil, and as you can see I am drawing the hairs roughly. The more detailing you want to give, the more time it will take and the more efforts it will take. So accordingly, this video is not a bigger one, so I am doing it roughly only. If you want to make a detailed portrait, you can also invest your much time in that. Now I am drawing the details of the hairs, the mustache and the beards. And now with the help of thumb you can merge the charcoal which is left over on the paper. So I'm using my hand to merge it, and as you can see I have spread it all over the paper again. And to give it a more depth, I'm more merging it. It's a very good technique to use. Does not take so much of our time, and it's almost done. As you can see, it's a very simple technique. If you have any doubts or any suggestions related to the YouTube videos, you can comment me in the description box. I'll obviously work on it. So with the help of clay eraser, I'm giving the highlights all over the face. It totally depends how much light you want to give on the face or how much depth you want to create. It's totally up to you. If you don't have a needed eraser, you can cut a normal eraser to create a sharpness and use it, and now it's done. So did you like this video or not? Please tell me in the description box.
Kept you waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we.
And the leftover powder of graphite and charcoal, I am again filling it up again in the box, so you can use as per your choice. Thank you.
If you haven't not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the bell icon and also subscribe to it.
Thank you for watching this video.